Today I am going to tell you the one and the only one best, most efficient tip for the blender. So the tip is that don't just stuck with the tutorials. Don't end up by watching the loop of tutorials for the blender. Keep watching it. Don't do that. If you are going to learn blender easily, you have to practice it by yourself. When you are watching a tutorial, it will be easy for you to understand, but when you are actually do it without any instruction, with a reference, it will be difficult to replicate that tutorial. So just don't stuck yourself with the loop of tutorials. Practice it yourself. This is the best tip to learn blender fast, to practice it. So by that way you have a objective defined in your mind, and like if you see our tutorials or tutorial on the Blender house modeling, so don't just watch and keep watching the tutorial. You have to practice it yourself. So watch some tutorials, then go for the reference, find some reference and practice it by yourself. So that way it will be easy for you to learn things quickly because you are doing the practice, and you will like monitor yourself what is wrong, what you have to do more. And like if you watch a tutorial on Blender knife modeling, so just watch one or two tutorials, then don't stuck with the loop of the tutorials. Just go here for knife references and just try to model the knife by yourself without any help of the tutorial. So it will be good for you, and you will also know your ability, and you will know that what thing you are missing when you are watching the tutorials. So this is the tip. Don't stuck with the loop of tutorials and do it yourself. Thank you so much.